I received my professional gel polish LED nail dryer lamp from Amazon, and it was $26.99, 220 watts. Can't beat that. It has 4 timers on here, LED light display, easy to carry, it's portable. This tray here is detachable. You take the tray off, it's detachable. And put it back on. Just simple as that, just putting it back on. Okay. It is a UV LED nail lamp, professional gel UV light, nail dryer for gel nail polish. For gel nail polish curing lamp with sensor, 4 timers, LCD display, LCD display plus, that's what this is. It's portable, 4 timers, and smart sensor, digital time display, power charger, detachable base. It's easy to use, suitable for hands and feet. 57 LED beams, 220 watts, fast dry, hand protection, open space, after sale support, cure about almost all nails, okay? And what I do, I made me a pair of earrings. See here? I cured them in here. UV resin earrings, non-sticky at all. Okay, see, a pair of earrings that I use this lamp here to make. Here, okay, and that's what I did. It came in this beautiful box, and it has the user guide here. Okay, both sides just came in the box. Okay, and like I said, it was $26.99. I received mine free from the program, but you get to invest your $26.99, and you too will have a 220 watt professional gel polish LED nail dryer lamp with 4 timers and smart sensor on it. Okay, all right, so I will see you on the next video. I hope this video helped you, and this way you plug it right here. Okay, it's a power charge, power adapter, what I'm trying to say. You have to plug it into the wall, and the plug lights up and lets you know that it's on. Okay, all right, see you next time. Bye bye for now.